If you cannot update League of Legends, that is a game application on your device, then how can we do it simply on our mobile phone and in our PC too? For this, I will simply show you some steps that how can you do it in your PC if you have League of Legends in it. Simply open your browser and click League of Legend here. Here, this is an official website. I will show you first that how it looks like and how can you download or update this application. This is the Google Play Store. You can simply go your mobile phone's Play Store and update if any update is available there. But if you want to do it outside the Play Store, you have to click some of the website here. I'm just showing you the game features here. And now we will find out that how can we simply update this in our PC or in our mobile phone. Now I will click on League of Legends download in India or any country you want. You have to click on any third-party website from here to download it on your device. Like I will click on this, and here you can see this is the latest version of this game, and I will click on free download to download it to my PC or to download it to my Android mobile phone. You can do the same step there. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.